It's day one of a government shutdown in Washington, and Florida's delegation is already pointing fingers.
They are AWOL this week. They canceled session. Democrats are here ready to work. Republicans are on vacation.
My communities in Northwest Florida will be hurt so Chuck Schumer can cater to these radicals. At Eglin Air Force Base, Herbert Field, and Duke Field, tens of thousands of men and women are being directly affected.
The impasse is largely over planned GOP cuts to Medicaid and the looming expiration of Affordable Care Act tax credits, allowing more access to care since COVID.
Our state has the most amount of people on the Affordable Care Act in the entire country, by far. So this bill and the big ugly bill will decimate healthcare for our own people in the state of Florida. And so this is a fight worth having.
Republicans rebuffing the argument and claiming Democrats are seeking to give undocumented here illegally access to health care coverage, despite federal regulations against it.
Never in my wildest dreams did I think that the government would shut down, that Democrats would shut it down because we wouldn't prioritize illegal immigrants over Americans.
As far as impacts, officials estimate around 95,000 federal workers in Florida are at risk of furloughs or work without pay. Essential services like Homeland Security and defense will continue. And Governor Ron DeSantis said Tuesday the state's immigration operations, including deportation flights from Baker County and South Florida, won't stop.
You know, when they say the government shuts down, it really doesn't shut down, right? I mean, it's like non-essential shuts down. You have the immigration mission is obviously an essential function, and so they're going to continue operating those flights.
Essential forecasts will keep coming. The National Weather Service says hurricane tracking won't stop, but other agencies could face cuts. Democratic congressional candidate Dr. Darren McCauley warns FEMA is especially vulnerable.
A government shutdown is always a bad idea, but a government shutdown in the middle of hurricane season in Central Florida is a terrible idea.
If you're traveling, air traffic controllers and TSA officers will keep working, but possibly without paychecks. Flood insurance sales are on hold, potentially slowing home closings in coastal Florida. And economists say the timing is risky.
This is a precarious time, and in some ways, given the fact that the U.S. economy has been seen currently or recently at an inflection point, having the lack of visibility on the job market is extremely inopportune.
For now, Floridians are left waiting to see if Congress can reach a deal and how long this shutdown will drag on. Now, the last time we had a federal government shutdown, it was back in 2018, reaching into 2019, a 35-day shutdown during the first Trump administration. It was the longest on record, and that one was a fight over the southern border wall. That's the latest out here at the state capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.